Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where tech tips stay simple, fast, and practical. Want to update your Android apps for new features and better performance? In this guide, I'll show you the fastest way to update apps on your phone. Step 1. Open Phone Settings. Unlock your Android device and launch the Settings app. This is where you control app settings, updates, and system features. Step 2. Go to App Management, scroll down, and tap App Management from the Settings menu. Some Android devices may show this option as Apps or Application Manager. Step 3. Open App Update section. Tap App Update to check available updates for installed apps. Your phone will now scan and display apps needing updates. Step 4. Review available updates. Look through the list and find the apps you want to update. Updated apps usually include bug fixes, security patches, and new features. Before we move further, hit subscribe and stay ahead with smart Android tricks and powerful mobile tutorials from Preyo Phonie. Step 5. Tap Update button. Press the Update button beside the app you want to upgrade. The latest version will begin downloading automatically. Step 6. Wait for installation. Allow a few moments for the update process to finish completely. A stable internet connection helps apps update faster and smoothly. Step 7. Open updated app. Once installed, launch the updated app and enjoy the newest features. Boom! Your Android apps are now fully updated and optimized. That's it. Now you know how to keep your Android apps updated like a pro. So subscribe for more smartphone tutorials every day.